Hey everybody, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Crystal and it's been a while since I've been on this channel. Dylan asked me to come on today and talk about the possibility of Uber and Lyft ending. So that's what I'm here for. But before I get into this video, please hit the subscribe button down below. That would help us out so much and we would really appreciate it. So now let's go ahead and jump to this video. Is Uber and Lyft ending? So we got together and we wrote down a list of things of why we think there's a possibility of Uber and Lyft ending. So let's get down to number one. Number one, maybe people will be afraid to ride Uber and Lyft in the future. You know, they have a fear of getting sick, all of that type of stuff. Maybe people will fear getting sick. They don't want to share space, such a small space with somebody. Could be possible that people are afraid to ride for a very long time. So number two, actually going back to number one, the thing I see though is people will be afraid to ride and they'll be afraid to get sick and all that. However, people do have a need to have like human contact and just like people around. So, I mean, it goes up in the air, you know, there's a possibility of getting sick from having people around, but then there's the possibility of people just needing that sense of social interaction. We'll see where this goes. Number two, business and restaurants may be closed for the next 6 months or so that may end it. Number two, business and restaurants are closed and they may be closed for the next 6 months or so. So that may end Uber and Lyft. And it's not just going to be restaurants and bars. It's going to be the movie theaters. It's going to be any public space that's going to be closed. And if you think about it, we give our riders a lot of rides to those types of locations because they don't want to drink and drive. And so now that California has eased up on, you know, taking alcohol home or taking to-go alcohol, now that California eased up on taking alcohol to go with your meal, I mean, I don't know. We obviously won't be giving people rides to restaurants and bars and to their sporting events or entertainment events and activities. So, you know, that's a lot of rides lost. Rideshare is at an all-time low right now. And, you know, we don't know what this is going to look like 6 months from now, so we'll just have to wait and see. Okay, number three, why Uber and Lyft might be ending. Number three, they aren't making money on the apps. So obviously, if nobody's riding, then Uber isn't making any money off those rides. So it's kind of like a whole situation here. However, I did hear that the delivery part of the app, for Uber at least, I don't know if Lyft has that, but Uber, I mean, that has picked up a lot. So you can still do deliveries. A lot of people don't want to leave their home, so I mean, that's definitely something to give a try. Okay, number four, Uber is not providing sick pay to their Uber drivers. So I know for me, I personally am not sick, but I do have to take this time off from driving and I'm not getting paid for that. So it is a really difficult situation. It's like all of us pretty much had to abandon Uber and Lyft completely if we don't want to get sick. Uber did offer an incentive. Uber did offer something like if you did get sick or if you did get a doctor's notice that you must quarantine, they were going to offer some pay. I don't know. I didn't apply for that, so I don't know how that's working out for people. But if you guys have any comments about that or if you try to apply, then definitely comment down below on that. We want to hear what you guys have to say. So number five, maybe Uber and Lyft will come out with driverless cars. Number five, maybe Uber and Lyft would come out with Number five, maybe Uber and Lyft will come out with driverless cars, so rideshare won't even be a thing. That is something that people have been anticipating for a very long time. But going back to what I said about people needing social interaction, I don't think rideshare will be completely dead because people do like that human contact. And I feel like people will be more afraid to get into a driverless car and that going haywire. And also, like, there wouldn't be somebody in that car to clean and disinfect after each rider, you know? It's kind of nice having an actual human driver because they can see in the car, like, oh, this passenger left something. Oh, they left a water bottle. Let me clean that up. Let me go ahead and clean up the back seat real fast. Let me go ahead and wipe down everything. You know, so like with a driverless car, you wouldn't get all of that. So we'll just see where that goes. If you guys would like to see me on the channel again, please give this video a like. That would help me out so much. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Until next time, you guys, have a great day.